Hello Google verification team. This is a follow-up video demonstration per your request. CosmosBites is an AI-powered educational content creation platform that helps content creators produce bite-sized educational videos. As requested, I'll demonstrate our application functionality, data flow, scope usage, and most importantly, how we maintain complete data segregation between Google user data and our AI services, confirming that Google user data is never sent to Azure OpenAI or any AI integration. Let me start by logging in using Google OAuth2. When I click Sign in with Google, users are directed to Google Standard Auth consent string. Important, this initial login uses Azure Customer Identity and Access Management with Google as an identity provider. The scopes here are limited to basic profile information, email and username, used solely for authentication. This is completely separate from YouTube API scopes, which are requested later when users explicitly connect their YouTube channel. After successful authentication, user land on the dashboard. Notice the user profile information from Google is displayed in the account setting. This data is used only for identification and personalization within CosmosBites. Now I'll demonstrate how users connect their YouTube channel. This is the social media accounts where users can connect their YouTube or TikTok and in the future other social network integrations. When clicking Connect to YouTube, users are redirected to Google YouTube Auth consent string. Let me clearly explain the scope we request. Currently, it's not verified. In production, once I get clearance, this will be verified Google production application. We request the following YouTube scopes, as you see, with our Cosmos Bytes logo. YouTube upload, to upload videos on the user to their channel. YouTube read only, to read channel information like channel name and ID. Critical point, these scopes are used exclusively for publishing videos that the user explicitly chooses to share to their YouTube channel. The YouTube channel data obtained through these scopes is never sent to Azure OpenAI or any AI services. This is our data segregation architecture. After authorization, you can see the YouTube connection shows the connected with the channel name displayed. Here is the connection. The information is stored securely in our database and used only when publishing videos to YouTube. It is never passed to any AI processing pipeline. Now, let me demonstrate the core functionality, creating educational video content. I'll navigate to the new video collection. Here, users provide their own content parameters like title, web, telescope, create short video, educational collection videos with imaginative ideas about the James Webb Telescope. They choose the target duration, the number of ideas to generate, the ideation discovery method, and storytelling type. Just to stress, this is user-provided data, not Google API data. The content I'm entering it, the data, the title, description, and preferences is user-provided content. This is what gets processed by our AI services, Azure OpenAI, to generate video script and idea. Google user data from YouTube APIs is never part of this AI processing pipeline. Now, the user can create his series and is going through under some process of generating ideas for the title, the collection that he chooses, generating scripts, and finally video generation queuing. Upon completion, we press OK. During this process, Azure OpenAI generates video idea based on the user-provided title and description. AI creates scripts using the user-selected storytelling types, and videos are queued as you see for production. None of these stages access or use any Google user data. The AI only processes the content the user has explicitly entered in this form. Now, after completion, the users can navigate to their videos studio and they can view and manage their AI content here. The videos displayed here were generated entirely from user-provided content. The video content, script, and metadata are all generated based on what the user entered, not from any Google API data. Now, the user, you can see, has some videos still in process, but there are also approved videos with a title, description, and indication that sharing has not been done yet. The user can play his video.
Imagine a planet bigger than Earth, more massive, with strong. The twist: these super-Earths might actually be better for life than our own world. Their size helps them hold on to atmospheres for billions of years, shielding.
And here is where the YouTube integration comes in. Users can choose to share their generated content to YouTube when clicking Share to YouTube. This is a one-way data flow. We send the user's AI video to YouTube using the upload scope. We do not retrieve YouTube user data to feed into AI. The YouTube API is solely as a publishing destination, not a data source for AI processing. Let me clearly explain the data architecture and how we maintain complete segregation between Google user data and AI services. User inputs the title, the data as you see previously. Azure OpenAI generates the videos, and then user decide whether to share to YouTube or not. Now the user can select here the publish time, and this is a one-way upload only. No data retrieval and no Google data is ever sent to our AI services. And once completed and shared, you can see here that his published video was scheduled to YouTube. And this is also indicated here. To summarize our compliance with Google limited use requirements, Google user data scope. We use Google YouTube API scopes, upload read-only, exclusively for publishing videos to YouTube on behalf of users. AI processing scope. Azure OpenAI process only user-provided content, title, description, and preferences entered directly by users in our application. Complete segregation. There is zero data flow from Google API to AI services. Google user data is stored in separate data path and never enters our AI processing timeline pipeline. There is no AI training. Google user data is not used to train any AI models. Our AI services processes only user-created content for that user-owned video. The architecture ensures full compliance with Google API services, user data policy, and limited use requirements. Thank you for reviewing the application.